see a helicopter there on the horizon. Last time on a journey to the sea, I left out of Sydney, Canada, went through Dodd Narrows, and arrived at False Bay. This is what you call perfect timing. Got myself anchored up and stuff on the deck packed away. Started coming inside and it just starts raining. Well, I seemed to survive my first night at Anchorage and got a little rough about 2:30 in the morning. I actually thought I was going to pull the anchor up as the tide was coming in, and I was kind of being beaten by some swells, but everything seemed to hold. So it's about 5:30 now, getting ready to start today. Everything appears to be calm. Hopefully that holds out today, but first a little hot breakfast. Decided to come out this morning and enjoy a little bit of the Anchorage. Got a little time before I take off, heading for Campbell River. Raining just a little bit out here today, but just throwing some rain gear. Should be good. Looks nice and calm, but just couldn't pass up having a cup of coffee on the deck with such nice views. Alright, just heading out of False Bay for the start of day number 3. Weather forecast says it's going to be rainy, but the temperature is good and seas are calm. Initial reports, Campbell Creek is calm and no wind, so that's where I'm heading. Not sure what the day is going to turn out to be, but we're definitely going to make a go of it. Say goodbye to my home last night. windy as it was yesterday. Wonder if there's some kind of military exercise going on. Well, according to the forecast, it was supposed to start clearing up this afternoon. Unfortunately, looking ahead, looks like I'm running into a wall of rain. And I was. But it seems as quickly as I got into it, I was through it. Continuing on my way. Well, I got this guy who's been chasing me down over the last hour. I've been watching on binoculars. Can't figure out, it looks like a commercial, but we'll see what he wants when he gets here. Well, the sun's finally starting to poke through the clouds. This guy has been following me for the last hour or so, coming right up my stern, still following me, so I don't know what to think about that. He hasn't hailed me or anything yet, so I can't really tell you what kind of boat it is. But the sun's coming out, so seas are still calm. Must admit though, kind of snug and fun to this job. Well, these guys finally caught me and didn't slow down, and they've just been chasing me. Flying a Canadian flag, Great Bear 2. Wondering where they're headed. wasn't too long before I finally reached my destination, Campbell River in Canada. For more on that story, next episode.